Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are having a super wonderful day today. This is a really important video because I feel like every girl needs to know about lipsticks. So the best lipsticks for when you're gonna have a long night out, for when you're gonna go have dinner, for when you have a special event, for work, for every day. I feel like lipsticks are such an important part in everybody's makeup routine. I really wanted to share with you the ones that I feel like I can always count on. So let's start off with the lipstick that I am wearing right now. This is one of my favorite lipsticks in my collection, and I've had this one for a while. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss, and I think the name is a little bit confusing because it says Pro Matte Gloss, and glosses are supposed to be shimmery and shiny and glossy, and then matte lipsticks are a little bit drying. But it kind of makes sense when you put it on because it is like a gloss texture but a matte finish. It's very strange, but this is honestly such a good one. I'm wearing the shade Forbidden Kiss. Every time that I wear it, I really get a lot of compliments. I feel like if you have fair skin like me, I think a strong color like this always looks really nice and elegant. So the first important thing about this liquid lipstick is that it is only $10. So you can find it at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart. So it's super accessible and you can pretty much find it anywhere. But my favorite thing about it is how long it lasts on the lips. So if I'm wearing it right now and I go have dinner and I come back, my lips will look exactly the same. It might faint just a little bit of color, but it's so rich in pigment that no matter what, it's always going to be there. So I think something that makes this liquid lipstick very special is the applicator. It's actually very pointy at the end, so you can actually line your lips with this as well. It makes the application super easy and very precise, and I don't need a lip liner. Anytime that I use this, I feel like with the applicator itself, I can create that perfect line and then just fill in the rest of my lips. So this is definitely one of my favorite liquid lipsticks from the drugstore. It says it has like a 16-hour wear. I don't know, again, if it's that long lasting. This will last a very long time, and if you have a dinner or something where you don't want to be reapplying your lipstick, this is such a good one. So the next liquid lipsticks I'm going to talk about are these Sephora cream lip stains. So I have a few shades right here, and then I also have this little set that I got during the holidays, and I have to say these are really good. If you also want something that's going to be very long lasting but matte, a matte finish that is very comfortable to wear, I would definitely give this a try. So these are only $15 and they have so many shades. They have glossy, they have metallics, and they have matte formulas. So these Sephora lipsticks are at a fair price point, and something that I really like about the Sephora collection is that sometimes you go into Sephora and you feel like you can't really buy anything because everything is really expensive. Like most of the products are expensive, but these are in the price point where it's between a drugstore lipstick and a high-end lipstick. So I feel like it's pretty good for everybody, and you can always leave with a little something. Very rich and pigmented, but I also love that they're infused with avocado oil, and I feel like having some type of oil in a liquid lip is super important for it to glide on easily and it doesn't like crack your lips when it's very dry. And I feel like I have that problem with a lot of matte liquid lipsticks. A lot of people don't use liquid lipsticks because they assume that they're all very drying. For example, a liquid lipstick that unfortunately I didn't really like is this one from Maybelline. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink, and I love this shade and I love the shade range that they have, but the formula is just not good for me. At least I feel like it's super drying. It kind of makes my lips like stick together. I don't know, it just really doesn't work well, and I feel like it comes off in some parts of your lips and then it stays in another. I don't know, I just don't think it's worth it. I feel like this one is probably like $10, $8, but I feel like you can spend a little bit more and get the Sephora liquid lipsticks. If somebody that's new to makeup is gonna try a liquid lip and they try this, they're never gonna want to wear liquid lip ever again because it is super drying on the lips, and unfortunately I didn't like it. But from Maybelline, I do have some other favorites that I'm going to share with you. I am a huge fan of the color Sensational lipsticks from Maybelline. The best part is that these lipsticks will not break the bank, and they have so many different shades that you can literally have every single color. They're really great, and these are only $7. Again, you can purchase them anywhere. I have a CVS right next to my house, maybe like a 2-minute drive, so sometimes I just go and I get one of these because they are really awesome. They are very pigmented, very lightweight on the lips, and apply very smoothly. When I wear a lipstick, I just want it to look good. I feel comfortable wearing it. I hate going somewhere and I feel like I have something that's bothering me on my lips. Whenever I wear these lipsticks, it kind of just reminds me that you don't need to go out and spend $30 or $40 on a high-end lipstick, even though it is nice to splurge sometimes. For every day, I feel like these are really great. So these are some of my favorite lipstick formulas. However, I do feel like you might have to reapply throughout the night, especially because they are not a liquid lip, and liquid lips tend to stay longer on your lips. But these are really good. The application is great and the price point is really amazing. So if you're looking for a good lipstick for every day, I really recommend the Maybelline. They have never let me down. I'm a huge fan. So now I'm going to talk about two different brands that are a little bit more on the higher price point, but to me they are worth it and they have really like impressed me. So the first one is the Bareminerals Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. So I have the shade Presence, and I have mentioned this 100 times on my Instagram story. This Bareminerals lipstick retails for $20, and I do have my phone because I want to read to you the notes that there are on the Sephora website and the reason that these lipsticks are a little bit more expensive than others. So this is a clean mineral infused vegan lipstick with minimal ingredients that delivers double hydration and 2 times the richer color. So that is something that you need to do keep in mind when you are purchasing a more expensive makeup product, is that the ingredients are probably better than drugstore lipsticks. It just depends on the brand that you're buying and the product that you're buying, but this one is minimal ingredients and it does have the Clean at Sephora stamp, and it's also vegan. So if those things are really important to you, then I would definitely check this one out. So this is also free of sulfates, parabens, and a lot of other bad ingredients, and it does have buckthorn fruit oil that is packed with minerals, vitamins, and omegas to help provide hydration, as well as olive oil extract that intensifies the color for maximum impact in one swipe. This product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, and has less than 1% of synthetic fragrances. You are more sensitive to makeup, or you just want something light that you know is not going to be harmful to your skin, or I don't know, you just want a good lipstick, I really recommend the Bareminerals. So sometimes I think about what I'm putting on my lips and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be eating, I'm gonna be talking, and you are kind of like ingesting some of the lipsticks. So knowing that this is a very clean formula, it kind of gives me a little bit of peace of mind because I know that I'm taking in something that doesn't have any harsh ingredients. So if that is important to you, I would definitely check out the Bareminerals lipsticks. They are really awesome. And the last lipstick that I am going to mention is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick. So I have two different shades here. I have Miami Vice and then I have Salt Life. I feel like with the color payoff, I can compare the Tarte one with the L'Oreal Infallible. For sure, these are the two most long-lasting lipsticks that I own. If I know that I don't want to reapply my lipstick throughout the night, I would wear any of these two. They are amazing. So this one retails for $21. So again, it is a little bit more expensive than the drugstore. So this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick is very hydrating, very rich in pigment, and it says it's formulated with antioxidant-rich marine plant extracts to help make the lips look firmer, fuller, and smoother. And it's true. Every time that I wear it, I feel like my lips look very big and smooth. Miami Vice shade is this very rich, bright red color, and it's very pretty, and I love wearing it because it does not bleed. I've had other red lipsticks, maybe like drugstore red lipsticks, that they like bleed through the edges of my lips, and I feel like this doesn't happen with this lipstick. I think it's a really good formula that really does last a super long time. Very hydrating and smoothing on the lips, so it is very similar to the Bareminerals. However, I feel like the application is a little bit smoother with the Tarte than with the Bareminerals lipstick, so it's something to keep in mind. But these are both really good, and again, the packaging is super cute and kind of represents like the ocean and the sea, and I really like that. A bunch of different colors to choose from, which is always really nice, and they are a matte finish, but they don't look drying on the lips. lips, they don't really look matte. I feel like they have more of a natural finish. The cool thing about the Tarte lipsticks is that they also have the Clean at Sephora stamp, so you know they are free of harsh ingredients. So that is it. These are my top lipsticks. These are my favorite in my collection and ones that I would recommend to anybody. If you guys have tried any of these, let me know in the comments and let me know which ones are your favorite lipsticks so I can also try them. Right now when we go out we have to wear masks and a lot of us aren't thinking about lipsticks. So in that case, I would go with a matte liquid lip because it won't stain your mask. So that is definitely something to consider. So maybe the Sephora liquid lips would be good for that. But anything else will most likely stain your mask. But think about it when this is all over and we can all go out again and have a good time and not have to wear masks. You're gonna want to have the best lipsticks ever. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. It really helps me. And please, if you have any ideas or any videos that you would like to see in the future, let me know in the comments. See you guys in my next video. Bye!